Okay, today we have the Tronsmart Halo 2 that's just come out. Now, I don't know, in America, it's on Amazon, but I'm not sure if it's actually available. You can order it, but it says like 2-3 weeks or something. But anyway, I'm not sure either if this differs from the Asian version, the American version. This was sent to me by Tronsmart from Asia, has the microphones. I'm not sure if the American version does or not. We're gonna peel this thing open and see what we got inside, and then we're gonna check it out. Mr. Hand, tic-tac-toe, let's go. Okay, like I stated, this came to me from Tronsmart. It was shipped from Asia. It has 2 microphones. I'm not sure that the American version does. I will check into that. But I will put a link to the version on Amazon and the IPX4, I believe it is. I think they have it on there. But anyway, we're going to take a look at it. We'll do a little quick unboxing with the help of Mr. Hand and his magic powers. So here it is, unboxed with the accessories that come with it. Like I said, I'm not sure if those microphones come with the American version. But as you can see, there's these little holders that you put around there to hold up the microphone. 2 microphones, a standard power cord. It's not a proprietary cord. It's just like the figure 8 style or whatever I call that you would see like on the JBL Party Box speakers or the Tribit Stormbox Blast. And then that is a auxiliary cable, and then you also have your manual. So let's zoom in on the speaker a little bit and check out what we have here. Get some of this out of the way. Now this speaker, as you can see, is a ported design. On the back you have 2 jacks for a microphone. There's your power cord, 3.5 millimeter. So I like that it uses, and it has USB-A also. I like that it uses a regular power cord. 4 rubber feet on the bottom. Now this has, I think, 5 different light modes. You can connect up to, I believe, 100 of them together. This is your volume knob, power button, mode, echo. You can change that, and you can do it from within the app also. And you also have your play, backwards, forwards. And this, I believe, that's your EQ. It only changes from 2 EQ, but there are more available in the app. Has a handle back here with a little bit of a rubbery stuff underneath it. So, pretty good looking speaker. One thing I'm a little disappointed in, there's nothing on the sides, so you can't lay it on its side like some of the other speakers have little rubber feet on the side. So if you needed to lay it sideways, this one really isn't quite designed to be laid sideways. But we're going to pull the camera back and do a little sound check on this and go through the EQ modes and the light modes also from within the app, because this does have app support with the Tronsmart app. So let's do that now. All right, so I've got the camera back, not too far. We're about 5 to 6 feet away. I'll start playing this. I'll play it at 40%. And it does have, as you can see, the light ring shows where you're at on the volume. 40%. This has 1 woofer, I think it's 5 1/4, 2 tweeters, then it has like a mid-range or like a super tweeter or something that's up in the top, in the middle. So you've got lights going around the 2 tweeters and the woofer, but not that one that's up above in the middle. So this is at 40%, and the EQ mode that it's currently on right now, maybe on my custom EQ. No, it's on default. I'll show you. On the app, you have 5 presets, or you can go to custom EQ. Right now it's on default. We'll go to Sound Pulse. That's Sound Pulse. It's a little bit louder, a little more focused on the mids. Deep bass. Classical. Rock. Rock has a little more upper range to it. And then custom. Currently, I haven't really tinkered with it too much, but that's the custom EQ I'm using. Kind of a generic, kind of U-shaped or V-shaped sound signature. I'm going to rock that for a while. Let's go up to 60%. Change track. So right now the light mode, it's on Starry Night. There are 5 light modes altogether. We'll go to ballet. This is ballet. Aurora breathing, excuse me. City of Phantoms. Carousel. And back to Starry Night. I'm going to pause this and see which one really goes to the beat. Now that's Starry Night, so you see with no music playing, it just does that. So that does go to the beat. Ballet. Still does a little Aurora breathing. Let's see what that one is, and let me turn the volume on, see, or turn the music on, see what it does. Okay, it starts coming alive. City of Phantoms. Pause it and see what it does. Okay, so some of these you can see it goes to that generic kind of multicolored when nothing's going on. Then we kick the volume on, then it kicks in. Let's do a little bass check here. Let's go up to 80%. Change track. So there you go. That's the first initial look of the Tronsmart Halo 200. I'll do another video soon, getting into more. I'll do the microphone check, and we'll maybe compare it up against either the JBL Party Box Encore or Encore Central, one of those two, or maybe the newly released On medium party speaker. But so far, this one looks pretty good. It does, I can tell you right now, it doesn't have the bass that a JBL Party Box will have. So, but not many do. JBL's kind of the master of bass for speakers, but this one has a nice clear sound to it, and I like that you can customize the EQ And with 2 wireless mics, the only thing I don't like about those wireless mics is they're not rechargeable. You have to take 2 AAA batteries for each one. So it would have been nice if they were rechargeable. But in their defense, the JBL Party Box Encore, those microphones also require batteries. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like I said, I'll have a new video coming out shortly with this, where we'll go in more in depth with the karaoke features and a comparison with something. Like and subscribe if you haven't done it already. Subscribe today. It costs you nothing. It's free, and you'll get every bit of nothing out of it. I guarantee. Mr. Hand, take us out of here.